Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 4 best electric bikes that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 4, we have best bang for your buck cargo bike. The KBO Ranger is a reasonably priced electric cargo bike that gets the job done for less than the competition. With a robust 750W motor, this Class 3 bike is quick, topping out at 24 miles per hour in our tests with quick acceleration and a nice range of support offered by its 5 pedal assist levels. The whopping 840 watt-hours battery is housed cleanly in the downtube of the frame for a sleek look and a very impressive distance range. It is slightly shorter than other cargo models we've tested, making it a bit more maneuverable and possibly able to fit on some hitch racks than can handle its weight. The plump 3-inch wide tires dampen cracks in the road, while the 20-inch wheel size helps keep the center of gravity low for steady handling with a load. The heavy-duty rear rack can support up to 120 pounds and it comes with a wood top and running boards, and KBO sells a modest selection of accessories for customization. It also comes with great features like fenders and lights to keep you rolling in a range of conditions. Moving on at number 3, we have NAKTO 26 inches 250W Cargo Electric Bicycle. In the world of electric bicycles, NAKTO is a prominent brand known for its high quality and innovative designs. One of their popular offerings is the NAKTO electric bike for adults, a versatile and reliable mode of transportation. This article delves into the features, benefits, and considerations associated with NAKTO electric bikes, focusing on the model that boasts a 350W motor, a maximum speed of 18 to 22 miles per hour, and a remarkable battery range of 45 to 60 miles. Whether you're a female or male rider, this city commuter e-bike offers an array of advantages for everyday use. NAKTO offers 2 modes, throttle and pedal assist, but oddly enough, there's only one pedal assist level. You're still getting a 6-speed Shimano transmission, though. The 250-watt brushless electric motor can deliver stable speed, maxing out at 18 miles per hour, or up to 25 miles per hour in pedal assist mode. You can get a range of 22 to 28 miles from the 36 volts 10Ah lithium-ion battery. Again, pedal assist increases the range to 35 miles. At number 2, we have Anchior Electric Mountain Bike. Mountain electric bikes aren't exactly known for being lightweight, so Anchior opted to use an aviation-grade aluminum alloy for the frame. Going with aluminum over steel minimizes the overall weight, in this case, to around 55 pounds. You're not compromising durability in any way though. The frame is corrosion resistant and made to last, and incredibly responsive too. Also, keep in mind that the frame's load capacity clocks in at 250 pounds. ANCHEER's e-bike, the so-called Sunshine, utilizes a 350-watt high-speed brushless motor. It packs enough power and torque to move swiftly on various trails and hills, maxing out at 20 miles per hour in throttle-only mode. The removable 36 volts 10.4Ah lithium-ion battery can give you a range of 22 to 40 miles per charge, depending on which of the 3 modes of operation you use. When you switch to the normal bike mode, you have Shimano 21-speed drivetrain at your disposal. The best mountain electric bike should deliver on all fronts, but trail performance is the make or break factor. And finally at number 1. We have Swagtron SwagCycle EB5 Series Aluminum Folding E-Bike. Add a boost of swag to your travels with the EB5 e-bike. Reinforced with quality materials and a long-lasting battery, this electric bicycle is the answer to revamping your everyday commute. From major cities to countrysides, this spectacular e-bike can take you just about anywhere. Twist the throttle and speed just over 15 miles per hour as you race to class with power assist, or break a sweat as you pedal through your morning errands. The EB5 hybrid bike packs enough punch to last up to 15.5 miles on just power alone, or, for even more distance, start pedaling. Go full throttle then change to pedaling or switch between the two at intervals for a great workout. With the EB5 you can ride whenever and however you want. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.